In this video, we're going to be learning how to run DeepSeek R1 in your Kali Linux locally. The main reason why you may want to run DeepSeek model locally and not with the app or GUI is because DeepSeek model is a very new model. You may not know what will they do with your data. If you use the web version, the data will be stored in their servers, but if you run the model locally, the data will be stored in your local machine, which is the safest way to run DeepSeek R1 at this stage. So let's see how to use DeepSeek in our Kali Linux. So I'm in my Kali Linux right now. I will first open the browser and search for olama.ai and press enter. Whenever you're in this website, click on download and select Linux and click on this button to copy the command. Next, open your terminal and paste the command. After the installation has been completed, we can now run DeepSeek. But before we do that, if you want to get comfortable with the Kali Linux command line, then click the first link in the description box and you will get the complete Kali Linux cheat sheet for beginners. This cheat sheet has all the commands that you need to become comfortable with the terminal. So if you get stuck, you can quickly refer to this cheat sheet. So click the first link in the description box to get this cheat sheet. Now to run DeepSeek, go to the olama.ai website again and click on models. Here I can see that DeepSeek R1 is the first one. So I'll click on it and I can select the size of the model. I will select the smallest one because my hardware is not that strong. So I will select the one with the 1.5 billion parameter and I can see I get the command. So I will copy the command, go to my terminal and paste the command. Since I already have it installed, that's why it did not take time. If you're installing for the first time, it might take 2 to 3 minutes since it is a 1 GB file. After it starts, you can enter your prompt. Suppose I will type how to learn ethical hacking. And as you can see, I'm getting the output. You can type /? to see the help menu. For example, you can clear your session context with /clear. You can also quit out of it with /by. And that is how you run DeepSeek on Kali Linux. If you like this video and want to watch more content related to Kali Linux or ethical hacking, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.